Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Ruby Plays. Today I'm going to be playing Movie Star Planet once again. But anyway, I'm sorry that I can't show my face. It's just because of my webcam. It's kind of bad. I don't know what really happened to it, but today we're on Movie Star Planet and we're going to try we're going to change what I look like and maybe do some dress up games. So let's take everything off. I'm sorry if it looks a bit inappropriate, but let's go for hair. So hair, I have these. First of all, let's try with this hair. Go for them. Those maybe with these. I don't really like the hair. Maybe let's go for this one. No. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that hair, but for now, that is what my character looks like right there. And I got a pet today, which is quite cool. It's called, but yeah, so let's get changed. So okay, so we're gonna go for those. I'm gonna try that with these, and then okay, so that looks quite nice, but I think what I'm gonna go for is so that's what I'm wearing right now with these, but I don't know whether to change it or not. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it because I think it's quite cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the pet park. So my thing is called Coco, that's it. So I need to feed. Wash. Okay. That's enough. Okay. I'm gonna like all these pets. Okay, so I've got a friend request. Oh, okay. I guess. So we're going to text her. So, hey. Just start off with the conversation saying, hey. See what she puts. What a message. Right, so just so you know, if you play on VIP, if you play on Movie Star Planet and people ask you, do you want VIP? Always say no because they can get your password. So I'm gonna say no, thanks. Do that because they can get your password, and getting passwords are actually really bad to get through. Obviously, you shouldn't give anyone your password. Why? Because you will get my P-word. Because we're not allowed to say password on here. Okay, right. P what? Will that work? No. Okay. My really no. Okay, so I'm gonna unfriend her just because she can get my password. So yeah. Let's I really want someone to do Diamond Drive because I have hardly no coins. So yeah. I don't know where to go. Let's go here. I want to go to Florida. Okay, so I'm in Florida Mall. By the way, I am taken by him, which is my sister's boy account, which I don't really like, so I'm going to can still be friends though. Okay. I need to change this to single. Okay, I know that it says SI, but you know. What should I do? You know what? I'm gonna make something. So, Design Studio. That's nice. I really like all the things in here. Oh, yeah, I want to get there. Right, I just got that. I don't know why. I just think it's quite nice. So, I like that. I'm literally buying everything that I can find. Which is kind of bad if you ask me, because obviously I love shopping on here. Because it's just really fun. And Some of the things are so cheap on here. And they're really, really nice, surprisingly. Because people actually make them. And it's only 65. But I don't want to buy it, but I do. That's nice. I'm going to buy that. I'm buying everything that I can see, literally. Some of these things are Christmas things, which is kind of a bit dumb because it's not Christmas anymore. But I guess, you know, they put it out at Christmas and they didn't sell anything. Okay, so I'm now going to design something. So let's design a dress. I'm going to design this. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, okay. That's a nice colour. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much on this because there is really nothing to spend it on. So, because most of these things are really, really weird and bad. So I could literally just leave that plain. Okay. Yeah, even that looks nice. Look at that. That's the one. I don't know. But okay, there we go. So let's quickly change what our character looks like. I've got 2 of these now. Cute. I don't know which one to go for. I'm not gonna go for. I'm just gonna go for. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And make sure to comment down below which game I should play next. And discover, maybe the next one will be like, I don't know, another Roblox video. Okay, bye guys!